In this video, I will show you how to unfriend people fast on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you do have a lot of friends, then it can be quite tiresome and boring to go through and delete every single friend. But there is a quicker way to do this. So what you want to do is open up a new tab and you want to come across to Google and you want to type Roblox friend removal button, just like so. Then you want to click on the top result. So this is going to be an extension on the Chrome Web Store called the Roblox friend remover button. When you come across to here, go ahead and click the blue add to Chrome button. And then what you want to do is click to add extension. So you should get a confirmation once that's been added, and you can double check this. So if you basically click onto the extensions icon, which is this little puzzle piece thing, you should see the Roblox friend remover button in here. What you now need to do is come back to Roblox to your connections, and you're going to see when I actually refresh the page that it's going to change slightly. So let's go ahead and refresh this. So as you can now see, next to each friend, we have this red little sort of like switch button. And if you actually go ahead and click this, it's just going to automatically delete that friend. So for example, this person down here, what I'm going to do is click onto this button, and just like that, it's going to remove them as a friend, which saves going through each profile individually like this, and then of course removing a connection. Instead of doing that, you can just literally go through your friends list, and you can click this button just like so to quickly remove your friends. So that is how to unfriend people fast on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.